Hello, Jerky Snobs. I'm here today to show you how to order the perfect gift for the holidays, Father's Day, and birthdays. Always start right here with Give as a Gift. Then you can choose between the 2 bags a month, ½ pound a month, or £1 a month. Notice we will be closed on Thanksgiving. I'm going to choose the 2 bags per month option. During the holidays, we have a lot of people who like to order 3 months, 6 months, or 12 months. That way, your family member or friend gets the gift that keeps on giving. So I'm going to choose the 3-month prepay option. Once you get to the shopping cart, you'll see that your 2 bags for 3 months is in here. If you have a coupon code or if we're running a coupon at the time, that goes here, and then click Apply. Then over here, notice the shipping cost is not there yet. So come over here. This is the name of the person you are sending the gift to, not your name. We're sending it to Mrs. Claus. I've picked a random address from a mall in Texas. And then when you get to the state part, if you're ordering for an APO, FPO, or one of those are up here. So make sure you check for those and find the correct one. If you are in Canada or somewhere else, go down here and pick the country first, and then you'll be able to edit those for your country. Notice, as soon as I get the address done, the shipping pops up. That is shipping for the entire 3 months. So break that up into 3, and that's your shipping per month. And when you come down here, make sure that the This is a Gift is checked. And when you do that, it makes the subscription automatically not renew. So if you do want it to renew after the 3 months or the 6 months, then you would need to click this checkbox here. If you don't want it to renew, just leave it. Then here you can put in the recipient's name, and then here their address. Now, if you don't want to ruin the surprise and have them get the tracking code for the first shipment, you'll need to put your email address in here instead. Then right down here, you can write any gift message that you would like, and we print those out and put those in the package. Please note that you can only write 255 characters. Then you'll come down to the bottom and fill out all of your information, and then create an account with your email address and create a password. Make sure you keep these, because when you get to where you need to cancel or change your address, change billing information, you can log into your account and you can do all of those things in there. You can also skip a month if you need to, if you're going to be on vacation or something like that. So I hope that this helped for you to be able to order the perfect Christmas gift. If you ever have any questions, please email us at info@jerkysnob.com, and we'll be happy to help. Thank you so much, and have a great holiday.